Hello, my name is Nick, and this is my final project for interactive computer graphics. So for this project, I designed a physics simulation that can model elastic collisions between spheres of differing masses and velocities. To do this, I first started with the interactive component, where the user can use the mouse and Alt key to select a sphere, and once it's highlighted, they can change variables that it uses for the collision, such as velocity and mass. For the GPU component, the position and velocity data is sent to the vertex shader, which will then calculate the new updated positions for each sphere. Now, here are some of the main citations that I used when creating this project. The main ones being NVIDIA's chapter on real-time rigid body simulation. Another big one being Bartek's coding blog, which helped me learn about the creating the mouse array and detecting a collision. So you can see here, when the user clicks on the screen, it projects a mouse array from that position, which then is drawn and finds the first nearest sphere from that array. Another helpful tool was Casper's paper on collision detection, which tied together nicely with this one here. And here's the demo. All right, now here's the demo for my project. As you can see, we have 3 red spheres bouncing and colliding within a cube. Now the main way you can interact with this is by adjusting its velocity and mass. We can discover how to do that by interacting with this help menu up here. So let's start by selecting a ball and then increasing its velocity. We can then decrease its velocity as well. Now we can also have some printouts to really see the values for these. So as I increase this velocity, we can notice a change, specifically on this shape 1. Next thing we can do is look at the mass. Now it's a bit tricky to see the mass in this kind of configuration, so I set up a one-dimensional example. This sphere in the middle here is the one that has a much higher mass than the others. As you can see, it takes many hits or collisions to really change the velocity. And if I print out the velocity and the mass here, you see the shape 0 has a mass of 40, and if I decrease that, it'll behave like the other 2 spheres. And just to show I can do it dynamically, I will change this sphere here and increase its mass. And there we go.